Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Kia Sportage. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, you also get your front fog lights as well, you get front parking sensors, and you get these brilliant 19-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern, as these wheels have been freshly refurbished as part of the vehicle's preparation process. Coming round to the rear, you'll notice you've also got rear parking sensors. You've then also got a reversing camera just up at the top there. Then coming into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. Then coming back out and around, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got electric windows all around. You've also got heated front and rear seats, keyless entry and start, electric driver's seat, which you can see there, power fold mirrors, and then coming inside the car, we've then got your electric handbrake with auto hold. We've got your camera view, which will pull up on the display just here. So you do have full 360-degree view, front facing camera, rear facing camera. You've then also got your parking sensors off and your hill descent control. You've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. You've then got dual climate control with 2 front heated seats, heated steering wheel, which you can see there. You've got your media controls just across the middle just here, which it does also have a JBL sound system. We've got satellite navigation. We've also got your on Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. On your media, you have got your Bluetooth audio on there. On the radio, you've got DAB, FM and AM. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your media controls in the middle, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. Over on the right, we've got your cruise control settings and of course your onboard computer controls on there as well. We've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Sportage has done 44,932 miles. Jumping back outside this Sportage now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.